sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero kung nabisipan ka, di ko lagi, ako lagi, tayo na tayo, dating malayo, ako malabo, di ko malabo, malabo, tayo malabo, lagi malagi, ako malagi, tayo na tayo, ba't ka lang malayo, labo malabo, ikaw malabo, malabo, bakit ba kailangan pa mo malis ka? Umihis tayo ng gusto ko kailangan na huminto. Huwag mo kumihin na ayusin natin ito. Taling sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero kung nabisigan mo ba, ikaw magaling sa'yo magaling sa akin. What's up, everybody? Woo! Hello, guys! Ayun, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Namaste na niyo siya po from Idol Philippines and the Voices Season 1. Ngayon, bago ko mag-pusin sa aking next song. Isang masigabong palakpakan at hiyawan naman sa lahat! You're awesome. Alright. So, bago po rin ako mag-next song, I would like to greet belated happy birthday kay Mayor Ana.
Bakit The Voice?
Mayor!
The Voice.
Ayan, naalala ko yung birthday na 24. Belated happy birthday po. Okay na makataluhan mo yun. Version na parlor version ng birthday song. Ayan, Mayor, this song's for you po Ayan, hello. Alright. So, batag mo muna si Mayor. Mayor Ana, this song's for you po. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, belated happy birthday po, Mayor. And thank you so much po. And thank you so much for having me here. Ang ating Honorable Mayor Ana Cristina po. And also to our Vice Mayor, or Honorable Edgar T. Go.